Hello everyone, this is a second freestyle show part 2, but a different stadium. And this time we have different ones. There's going to be a lot of different ones. There's going to be like maybe 3. So, here we go.
She's going round and round, she's singing a song for me. She got a situation, like to let it be. Unable to resist, to open up your eyes. You gotta break it down, it should be really nice. Sun is shining right through my window. We're standing on a shelter with a broken face. Sometimes I wanna cry and leave this fucking maze. It's shaking over here, it's shaking over there, it's shaking all around and everywhere. Sun is shining right through my asshole. She's going round and round, she's singing a song for me. She got a situation, life to let it be. Unable to resist, to open up your eyes. You gotta break it down, it should be really nice. Sun is shining right through my window. We're standing on a shelter with a broken face. Sometimes I wanna cry and leave this fucking maze. It's shaking over here, it's shaking over there, it's shaking all around and everywhere. Sun is shining right through my asshole. She's going round and round, she's singing a song for me. She got a situation, life to let it be. Unable to resist, to open up your eyes. You gotta break it down, it should be really nice. Sun is shining right through my window. We're standing on a shelter with a broken face. Sometimes I wanna cry and leave this fucking maze. It's shaking over here, it's shaking over there, it's shaking all around and everywhere. Sun is shining right through my asshole. She's going round and round, she's singing a song for me. She got a situation, life to let it be. Unable to resist, to open up your eyes. You gotta break it down, it should be really nice. Sun is shining right through my window. We're standing on a shelter with a broken face. Sometimes I wanna cry and leave this fucking maze. It's shaking over here, it's shaking over there, it's shaking all around and everywhere. Sun is shining right through my.
So, this is a stadium that we're going to be using. Its name is Slime Stadium. Our first is Western United. So, the first part, keep in mind, evaporated. Fills up the whole front of the back. Wow. Coming up next is down. I don't know if you guys can. If I got it wrong, you can always comment down below this video. So this is a new one. So this one just came on. This huge air. Over time, wow. Ooh. Hits that round. Nice, he saves it. Oh, misses around. It's getting crazy out here. Oh. Three. Oh my gosh. He saved it by a second. Wow. He was almost got out from there. 36 seconds left on the clock. 30 seconds. Okay. But you know, not all monsters have to do it. But this is good for this is definitely new one. Oh, this is around. Oh, you see this? Oh, we're not here. Alright, coming up next is Rise Alone.
Citizens in the claws of gray. Gray morning, gray evening, gray day. Gray faces talking shit on TV. What is this? How can I believe in it? Nobody there in who we can trust. Tell me please who made this choice for us. Silence outside the stars boxed and caged. It's like our deepest fears are now a blind Citizens in the claws of gray. Gray morning, gray evening, gray day. Gray faces talking shit on TV. What is this? How can I believe in it? Nobody there in who we can trust. Tell me please who made this choice
He
for
just did a
us.
backflip.
Silence outside the stars boxed and caged. It's like our deepest fears are now a blind breaking.
Yo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he made his own backflip into the end of the donut. Wow. Did he actually meant to do that?
Citizens in the claws of gray. Gray
That
morning,
is
gray evening,
amazing.
gray day. Gray faces.
Coming up next is the second Bigfoot here. And this Bigfoot is not number 2, but
I've seen the space tricks. Got a practical magic. Get on a check. That's the common terrorist attack. And no way back, no way back, no way back, no way back, no. Give me moon, give me speed, give me gloom, light flows. Fly from your nose, yeah. Remember what you had a dream about. Down the shout, down the shout, down the shout, down the shout, yeah. 'Cause I know I think I could cry out love, junkie. check. That's the common terrorist attack. And now we're back, now we're back, now we're back, now we're back, now. Give me moon, give me speed, give me boom, light flows. Light from your nose, yeah. Remember what you had a dream about. Down the shout, down the shout, down the shout, down the shout, yeah. 'Cause I know I think I I'm in love, junkie. I'm aware to sit down, my groove is funky.
Oh, he did that. No, he won't. 6 seconds left. Oh, that is just sad. But you still might win. It's all for you guys. Next, the next big foot, which is barefoot. Freezing here. Alright, stops. He's on his run now. Oh, he just wasted a lot of time. Maybe like 6 seconds. And now it's 46 seconds. Oh, goes in the middle. Huger. Oh! Oh, big slap. Nice. 25 seconds left. 46 seconds, extra time. Oh, looks like something happened to him. He was not working, so that means you can still vote for him if you want him to win. But I don't know. It's a California kid.
He was waiting for nothing, and so nothing came.
Ooh, nice.
Searching for nothing, and so nothing he found. While the world keep running, keep on turning around. Running with sound, it must prevail. Blinded eyes see no, I know God. Be on the press wall, be on the fingers. Just keep living it out.
56 seconds, extra time.
He was waiting for nothing, and so nothing came.
Oh! Oh, you look at the first one.
Searching for nothing, and so nothing he found.
Alright, you there.
While the world keep running, keep on turning around. Running with sound, it must prevail. Blinded eyes see no, I know God.
Oh, no, really? In the fall.
Be on the fingers.
Oh, wait, he pulled back up. That one more count. That's pretty much cheating. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, he's turned up. His time is up already. Oh my gosh.
He was
Oh my
waiting for
God.
nothing, and so nothing came.
Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god. He just did a reverse backflip. Wow. The last part of his run did not count, but you can still count it. Next is Bigfoot snake bite. Oh, so much snake bite. Bigfoots. Alright. Huger, we do the same thing, but not cheating. California kid literally just cheated. Oh, kind of. Oh, Huger from the Crush Cars. Oh, let me get it back. 30 seconds. Had 30 seconds. Oh, the kick has kicked out. So I guess he's gonna do his run again. Okay, yep, he's gonna restart his run. He has been kicked out, and now he's came back to finish his run. Oh, Huger crashes into one tire. Oh, into two tires. Alright, very smooth. Into the Crush Cars right in the middle. Oh, crashes into the ramp. And in real life, that dirt will be spreading everywhere. Oh, goes to the sides again. Extra time. Almost hits the backflip. Nice. Oh, crashes into those two tires in the front. Nice. These two brands are pretty close to each other, so sometimes you can be struggling if they do a huge air. How's that? Going around, alright. Nice. Alright. I believe this monster truck is the last one. He's waiting for the backflip. As I hit this backflip, maybe this one's lucky. Nice. 22 seconds left. Huge air. Oh, does not save it. That means his time will be over. Alright, everybody. This is the end. The last monster truck for freestyle full show today. Next time, I'll be seeing you next time. And also, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And remember, if you saw one of my shorts, I say if I hit 4,000 subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. Look how turned he's up. He is. California kid. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So yep, next time I'll be getting new other monster trucks. The USA one that just passed, the white one, is also one, but came in the first one, but is not coming for this one. So yeah, see you next time, guys. Oh yeah, and also, if I hit 41,000 likes, I'll get this truck and this truck. But if I hit 4,000 subscribers, I'll get this dude. And also do my face reveal. 4,000. So if you do all those at the same time. Oh, actually, if you subscribe and I get more than, let's see, I don't know how much I have right now, but I can have like 3,000. If I hit like 3,600, I will get them all. Peace. Click these other videos that are on the screen. Yeah, go get it. Just press it. And remember, this is part 2. Part 1. Go check it out. And also go watch my other videos. Goodbye. Oh yeah, next stadium this is not mine but someone else's. But if you played this one already, where this one's next. This one's for part 3. Be sure, coming soon.